Hi, people of YouTube. So, you are the lucky people who have found my channel. So, yeah, if you guys like my videos or my channel, subscribe to me up there, right there. It's a yellow box that says subscribe. And yeah, this is my welcome to my channel video. So, I'm going to try putting some new videos on YouTube in the next couple days. So, and in every video I'm going to wear something pink or zebra stripe or something like this. It's like a leg warming thing. And if you guys find it first, it's kind of like a contest or something, like you can say that. But if you do, please subscribe. Please make a comment in the comment box down there. I mean, you don't have to, but if you do, I'll make a shout out to you. And yeah, so I hope you guys like my channel. Subscribe, add me as your friends, tell your friends, and yes. So keep on watching my videos if you do subscribe. And I hope you guys like my channel. So peace out and have fun on YouTube.